Hi there, Dr. Kehoe here at Health From Within. Today I'm going to show you how to properly fit your child's backpack. Very, very important because wearing a backpack in poor posture, not wearing it right, can obviously affect your child's spine, your child's posture over time and lead to problems down the line. So we want to avoid that, squash that, and make sure that we don't get any of those problems. So I'm going to show you how to properly do it on our model over here, Amber. So Amber, if you could step in over here. So as you can see, she is holding her backpack in maybe the worst posture on one shoulder, hanging way low. We don't want that, so we're gonna fix that right now. So what you're gonna do first, Amber, is put the straps on both of your shoulders, evenly distribute the weight side to side. Now if you'll notice, turn to the side for me if you could, the backpack is still hanging pretty low. So where we want the backpack is to sit right at about the base of the neck and no lower than about the hips. So that's going to be a little different with every backpack, but we want to get as close to that as we possibly can. So what I'll have you do, Amber, is pull those straps up, get that backpack to go nice and high, and get it to where we need it. See how it's sitting now, right at the base of the neck, and sits right at about the hips. That's perfect. And then what she has, turn to the front for me as well, she actually has a strap that goes in the front, so if your child's backpack has one of these, I encourage them to use it, because that pulls it tighter, redistributes the weight even more evenly, and will prevent any problems down the line. So follow those tips to fit the backpack properly. And then something else to keep in mind is as far as the weight goes in the backpack. So you want it anywhere from 10 to 15% of the child's body weight at most will prevent it from being too heavy and provide unnecessary strain on their spine. So follow those tips and ensure that your child has success with their backpack. Thanks.